Things appear to be looking up in the United States as more cities and states open up. Nearly 1/3 of all Americans are fully vaccinated, and about half have at least one shot. And that's good because public health experts say they should protect against the new, highly transmissible Indian variant.
Our vaccines are going to hold up against the variants from India.
The 617 variant has already been identified in 3 states, and beginning today, the U.S. will ban travel from India by non-U.S. citizens. This as the U.S. and other countries rush in aid, and hospitals there continue to see staggering numbers. On Monday, nearly 370,000 new cases and more than 3,400 deaths reported. Stateside, the demand for shots is way down, dropping 26% in the last 3 weeks to 2.4 million doses a day, a cause for concern for health experts.
What we want is to get to a level of herd immunity where you can go about your day-to-day life and not have to worry about exposure.
Still, the average number of daily cases is steadily dropping, now under 50,000 for the first time since October. And more cities and states are lifting restrictions. 80,000 government workers in New York are headed back to the office. The governors of New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut allowing more businesses to fully open May 19th.
This means that the events that we all associate with a summer can all go forward.
And with more people getting vaccinated, there's an ongoing debate about mask mandates, especially outdoors. One Oregon high school adjusting its policy after a runner wearing a mask collapsed at the finish line. Maggie Williams on CBN's Faith Nation.
I started out and then I barely had anything left on the last 100, and then about 10 meters before I just felt my muscles start seizing up. It was really weird. And then everything just went blurry and I just passed out for a second. And luckily it was right before the finish line, so I crossed with my head.
To be running at full speed and then black out and hit the ground. I'm just so thankful that she had some guardian angels watching her. Scripture was right and God was protecting her.
And we should mention Florida is suspending all COVID-related public health orders statewide. And Oklahoma is expected to follow suit today by withdrawing its state of emergency. Jenna Browder, CBN News.